Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of functional programming series. Use the map method to extract data from an array. So far, we have learned to use pure functions to avoid side effects in a program. Also, we have seen the value in having a function only depend on its input arguments. This is only the beginning, as its name suggests. Functional programming is centered around a theory of functions. It would make sense to be able to pass them as arguments to other functions and return a function from another function. Functions are considered first class objects in JavaScript, which means they can be used like any other object. They can be saved in variables, stored in an object, or passed as function arguments. Let's start with some simple array functions, which are method on the array object prototype. In this exercise, we are looking at array.prototype.map, or more simply, map. The map method iterates over each item in an array, returns a new array containing the result of calling the callback function on each element. It does this without mutating the original array. When the callback is used, it is passed three arguments. The first argument is the current element being processed, the second is the index of that element, and third is the array upon which the map method was called. See below for example using map method on the user's array to return a new array containing only name of the users as elements. For simplicity, the example only uses the first argument of the callback. In this case, we can see how map method is used on users to retrieve an array containing user name. Here is the array. The console would display this value. Task for this challenge: the watchlist array holds objects with information on several movies. Use map on watchlist to assign a new array of objects with only title and rating keys to the ratings variable. The code in the editor currently uses a for loop to do this, so you should replace the loop functionality with your map expression. In that case, let's remove the for loop and we will be using map expression. So on watch list we will use map method, and inside map method the object is movie in this case. So and for return we will create object with title which will contain movie dot title and rating which will contain movie dot imdb rating. Okay, it looks good, so we will remove this now and let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.